How to calculate the page count of your Smithsonian journal. When calculating the page count of a hardcover Smithsonian journal or book, remember that you do not include your covers or end sheets in your page count. An end sheet is a thicker sheet of paper, either glued to the inside front and back cover, or found between your inside front cover and first page, and similarly between your inside back cover and last page. Even though end sheets are placed within the book, they are not considered part of your page count. While end sheets can be printed on, they are most importantly part of the structure of the book or journal. Here's how to calculate your page count. The first page will always start on the inside right hand of the front end sheet. This is the loose leaf, in other words, the one that is not glued to the inside of the cover. This means that the page opposite to your first page on the left-hand side is the end sheet. Since each side of a sheet of paper is counted as one page, this means that page 2 will be on the reverse side of page 1. Next is page 3. The reverse side of page 3 will be page 4, and so on. The last interior page of the journal or book will always land on the left-hand side. This means that the last page on the right-hand side is another end sheet. This is not included in your page count. When creating your Smithsonian journal or book, it's important to have your pages divisible by 4. Make sure you have enough pages to create the volume needed to support a spine. Most Smithsonian journals or books are around 100 to 300 pages. We hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you need any help calculating your page count or have any other journal printing questions, feel free to book a call. We're always here to help.